Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about creating specialty programs and how this is so important for your agency, okay? So, one of the biggest questions that get asked is how do I make my agency stand out? One of the biggest ways to do this is to be able to create or provide specialty programs. You don't have to just create a new specialty program. You can actually go ahead and research, and that is why we're here for, is to help you figure out what current specialty programs are actually out there right now that's being used that are helping agencies gain more referrals. What you need to do is, once you've decided which specialty programs your company wants to start providing, you need to be able to figure a way to package this, to repackage this program and present it to your potential referral sources and current referral sources. And when you present it and repackage these programs, you want to be able to also make sure that you differentiate yourself from the other companies that are maybe using these type of similar specialty programs as well. So here are some basic tips on how to be able to market your specialty programs. You can go ahead and use your clinicians to educate the marketers about the clinical benefits of the specialty program. Imagine this. You bring in your therapist, you bring in your occupational therapist or your physical therapist or speech therapist, and you have them teach your marketers about the program that you're offering so that they can become knowledgeable and they are able to then dictate and explain the details about your new specialty therapy programs or other programs to other physicians, to the referral sources, to the discharge planners. If your marketer, or if you as a marketer, can and be able to be knowledgeable about these specialty programs, and you are aware of how it is able to reduce rehospitalization rates, how you are able to then provide the physicians the information, you will be able to then repackage and at the same time gain more referrals. Another big suggestion that we can make is, why don't you just go ahead and have your clinicians, who are way better at explaining everything, go with your marketers in the field to be able to then speak to the physicians directly. This will give you more value because here you are bringing in the people who can and who will, provide these specialty care to the patients of these referral sources or these physicians. And so by bringing them, the explanation will be a lot better. And at the very same time, it gives you pretty much a head start compared to other agencies because they are not bringing their clinicians to the field. So when you create these specialty programs, make sure that you find referral sources that will benefit from these specialty programs. You do not want to create specialty programs and then just go ahead and market to the wrong people or to everyone. So create specialty programs and make sure that you market them to the correct people that would be able to use the services, the programs that you actually created. Also, become specific. Be specific in which you need to be able to mention which diagnosis can actually the program help. These programs that you create, what can they help and treat? And by you doing this, you are able to help the referral sources easily identify which patients that they have that would definitely benefit from the programs that you are offering. Remember this, guys. You will always need to explain things. Do not expect these referral sources, such as physicians or discharge planners or social workers, just figure out by themselves. Don't think that they know. Make sure that you explain to them. That's the best way. A lot of the times, people do not even choose anything or they say no to services because they are just not aware or knowledgeable and they just don't know. So don't be scared to be able to make some explanation. Don't be scared to show them how this would benefit their patients, okay? So another thing is, remember we talked about bringing in those clinicians. You can also have those clinicians make some, explainer videos, that you can use, so you can email to them, or let's say you need to fully explain to the physician, you can bring in that video and have them watch it to get a further explanation, right? At the very same time as you convert that training or that explainer video into a Word document, into a file, a PDF that you can also use as a handout. So there's a variety of different ways that you need to do. And so in this particular series, we're going to be talking about all the different specialties that you can actually start applying to your company. Now, some of these are going to be meant for home health medical agencies, but at the very same time as some of these can also be used for home care, non-medical private duty agencies as well. So go ahead and enjoy this particular video series to be able to know what type of specialties you guys should be offering for your company. So always understand, home health marketing is easy when you know what you're doing and you actually apply it in the field. Have a great day.